Today we are at the X90 and we're going to attempt, get this door panel off, get to the glass inside, and take this glass home with us. I say attempt because I've never done it before. Not on this car. I've only done it actually on one car, maybe two ever. So here we go. First thing I notice is in the door handle there, the door pull here, there's a Phillips head in there. Looks like there was a clip here. I'm feeling around. I don't feel any other screws, so I think the rest is just clips. So let's unscrew that one in the door cup, pop out the clips. Hopefully it goes okay. So actually I missed one in that door cup. So the door lever had one, the door cup had one. Guys, I have sweat building up inside my glasses. It is so hot. It is like 9 o'clock, 9:15 in the morning. And oh my God, this sucks. Anyway, door panel pulled. Let's see what we can see over here. I'm going to assume 10 millimeter for most of this. I got something there. I got some different bolts I can see. My worry is that I'm not gonna be able to get this one out because I cannot roll the window down. Power window. Now, the other side, I went ahead and taken that door panel off. That window is down. That should be easier. But I'm gonna focus here first and see what happens. All right, got this bottom one pulled out and I saw the top one. I did not see it at first, so I got two on this end. They are 10 millimeter. Pulling off more of that plastic sheet. What I might try to do is take off any of the braces that I think, excuse me, go to the window mechanism. I'm not sure if that's going to work, but this, while it does move, I can see inside there's a fastener, and that's all I can really see at the moment. So I'm going to try to take that off and see if I can start to pull things out that way and get it moved down. All right. Undoing that bolt did nothing. Over here though, I've got a bolt here, I got machine screws here, and a big one here. These are all Phillips heads. Took these out, nothing. Took this big one out, this thing starts coming down. So that is some kind of control mechanism, or that's a main point of this system. So once I did that, it starts moving down. That should hopefully give me some space to work. Maybe I can manipulate this enough to get to the other screws. Let's find out. God, I hope this works. I am sweating so bad. Holy hell. All right, manipulating this around a little bit, just kind of wiggling it. I got to where that mount is now visible. Again, 10 millimeter, which that's not a 10 mil. Hold on. Sorry. Have my Phillips head on there. So let's see if I do this. One-handed, left-handed, not as hard, but not fun, not easy. So I took that out. That was a nut. So now let me see. I'm gonna put the thing down for a sec. Okay, so got that nut off. This piece, it's moving, but then I see up here, there is another one right here. So let me try to get that off. It is, ooh, it's gonna be tight. That's it. So really, I'm gonna take my my 10, take my Phillips head over there, and gosh, that was not bad. So, oh hell, hang on a second. This track's not even there. It's sitting on wood. So hold the heck on. I'm going to see if I can make this sit for a second, because I wonder if this thing will just come on out. And I'll tell you guys, I've got no reason. I've got these two guys right here. I got no reason to lie, make stuff up. I'm not cool. All right. You guys aren't gonna think I'm more cool, because, well, maybe you can think I'm more cool because I'm not very cool to begin with. But there's no track. I didn't did not manipulate this, you know, off screen or something. This one has a track mounted to it. There's blocks of wood. There's some 2x4s. Oh gosh. Now, I'm assuming if you're watching this at home and you have an X90, you probably, hopefully, have that window track. I'm having to pull up to release some of the pressure to get this bolt to come out. So again, those two, oh, come on, what's hitting? All right, we twist. Manipulate, and let me get out. Oh, they had, I don't know if you can see this, they had string. They have string attached to that bottom mount. All right. So that quickly, that easily, you can get this out. I really hope, for your sake, I really, really hope you're not working on it when it's this dang humid. Like I said, I have sweat building up inside my glasses. I think this is it for the X90. I'm considering the trunk. I just spit, sorry. I'm considering the trunk, but yeah, I think that's it for the X90. Anyway, that's how to remove the windows, the glass from the doors, the glass windows on the doors. That's from a Suzuki X90, and I'm gonna pay for these. This place charges like, gosh, I think it's like $30, $35 a glass. So I go pay for it, go home, clean these up, and get to selling. Thanks for joining. All right, X90 window stuff. End up, there are 2 bolts, main bolts on this track. I had to get off. That released the window. To get the track down on this side, that side wasn't bad. I was already down, which because there was no track. But on this side, I had to take out. There's this big screw right here that once I removed that, the track would collapse and I could get to the 2 nuts that held the track onto the window. That side had no track. I just had to take out the 2 bolts that were kind of back here. And like you can kind of see them, these here. Took those out, and then you kind of twist it and it comes on out. Let me go pay. This should be about $70, $75. I'll update you guys shortly. And really, I'll update you guys whenever it's all cleaned and I've actually sold this stuff. I will not post this video until these parts have sold. I might get this. It's gonna be like 50 bucks, but I feel like I should. What do you guys think? Should I go ahead and grab it while I'm here? Everything else in this car is 10mm, so I would be shocked if this is also 10 mil. Dude, it's 4 bolts. Maybe I should go ahead and grab this. I don't know.